Hello. So it says on the box that it's activated charcoal. It's with fresh mint and coconut oil. Fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. Whitens naturally, removes plaque, freshens breath, and tastes awesome. So we're going to try it out today. Oh, and then the box also says down here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says no artificial sweeteners, no dyes, and no sulfates. Okay, so it's a cute little bottle. So we're gonna try it out and see what happens. Oh, alrighty. Okay, it's black. I don't know what I was expecting with charcoal toothpaste, but it is black. All right, so here we go. All right, I don't know that I'm ready for this. I'm shaking. All right, here we go. All right. I hope it doesn't stain our teeth. I guess I should have read that first, huh? That is really scary. I'll get you out, and your little dog too. Holy cow. Oh my goodness, check it out, guys. Look at that. Look at my teeth. Wow. They are white. Okay. My review of the Hello Charcoal Toothpaste is it definitely tastes like toothpaste and it definitely whitens. That's amazing. Check that out. They're like gleaming white. That's crazy. I'm gonna give this a thumbs up and I will definitely be buying it again. That is some really, really cool teeth whitening going on. And you just get it at the grocery store. No anything. I just went to the grocery store. It was there at Hy-Vee with the rest of the toothpaste. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. All right. I hope that you like this review, and if you have any questions or have a product or something that you want me to test out, let me know, and I'll shoot you a video. All right, bye.